So you want to know how to apply for the Streaming University by Kai Cenat. I'm going to teach you. It's really easy. Well, I never done it myself. We're going to do it together, right? So first thing you're going to do is, right, to get to this home page, it did crash a lot. All you got to do is go to Kai Cenat, find his YouTube page, go to the Streaming University YouTube channel. YouTube video. I'm sorry about that. Click on this link here, right? It says enroll here. Click that. Boom. And you get here. Now you click on enroll. All right, so once you create your Gmail account, hit record, hit next. Again, this is my first time going through it myself, so I'm not sure what's going to happen here, right? But we all gonna go through it together. If you guys can't access it, I'm gonna show how it's done, right? For first timer, by the way, I've never done this before. All right, it says if you can take any course, what course? Ooh, I'm butchering like Kai now. If you could take any course, what course are you certain to pass with an A+? Yeah, that's pretty easy. P, you know what I'm saying? Like what's up, you know? A+. What subject did you struggle the most at in school? All subjects besides PE, you know what I'm saying? All right, hopefully he gets my humor, or whoever reads this. All right. If you're in a group of 4 students, which of these best describes how to contribute to the project? Which of these best describes how you would? Where's the would? You contribute to the project. Am I wrong for that? Is that not proper English? All right, whatever. Let's see. The leader. Okay, the slacker. That's minimum work. The overachiever that does the most to get the best grades. The last minute hero. Procrastinate to the last minute, goes all in. Yes, that's me. I ain't gonna lie to you. That is me. In the last 3 sentences, how would your further roommate at the Streamer University describe you as a roommate? Future roommate. Clean. Oh, clean. What else? How would you describe me? I would say I'm pretty clean. My room is pretty decent. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Clean for the most part, I would say. You know. And yeah, this beat's fire. What else? I'm clean for the most part. And like to takes long showers. And work out to the gym and hopes for the best. All right, now I'm trying to make it funny, y'all. What school? Hopefully I get accepted. What school club would you definitely join / create at the university? Ooh, I would want similar. Why can't I spell that? Similar. Same creative mindset as one as each other to make to collab with each other. Excuse me. Kind of like a team like AMP. A team Like A and P. I like that. That's a good answer. Good answer. Good answer. On a scale of 1 to 10, being extremely dirty, breathes quickly, how clean is your room? Currently? 5. On a good day, like 6. What meal would you want to be served at cafeteria streaming? Oh my god. I would say pizza. I would say anything vegan. Okay. If Kai Cenat rated your stream and gave you all the time 100k views right now, what would you do to keep them watching? Damn, that's a good question. Them watching? I would react to Kai's top funniest moments on YouTube. That way people would just stay. You know what I mean? Cause they're already Kai Cenat viewers. They probably want to watch more Kai. I just provide them more Kai. Oh, I'm sorry. I cannot with this music. Answer these 3 questions so that you can gauge your academic standing. Answer it correctly may or may not qualify you for the academic scholarship at Streamer University. What? That's a scholarship? 2 friends, Sam and Alex, are having a saving money. Saving money. Sam starts with 20 and saves 5 per week. Alex start how? Oh, they have, what the fuck is this? What was the Black Death? Oh my god. We're gonna chat GPT this, buddy. First answer is C, y'all. Second is D. Third is C again. Lights batted on Saturn. Let's go. Under 1 minute? 30. How many sit-ups you can do? 20. How many jumping jacks can do? A lot. Nice play. We go with that. A lot. If you were to make fist, but what are these questions? If you were to make a fist but still leave enough room inside your mouth to be able to blow air through, Kai, could you accurately blow the same amount of air through your fist? No, I'm not even trying that. Can you bite your elbow? He's not dead ass. Yes, please. Social media. We need a link to the primary social as well as a link to your favorite post, video, clip of yourself on the internet. People provide a link of your favorite post, video, or clip of the internet of yourself.
Hey, shut up, you monkey.
Bow.
No, Waller.
Oh my god, that would have me crying. Yo, go follow my what is this called? TikTok, yo. Shabazz Don 2. Check the box of your primary social media account and provide the link and following account to that profile right here. Boom. Number of followers I have in my primary. 97 right now. Next, please send a link of video on why you should be accepted to Streamer. Make it sure that it's no longer 45 seconds. You can use a Twitch clip link, Google link. Make sure it's set to public. A social media link. Oh my god, what the fuck? What's poppin', everybody? It's your boy Shabazz Don, and today I am applying for Streamer University. Shy, I'm lying. Let's do it. Listen, I want to be a part of the Streamer University because I want to collab with other creators. Like I want to be around people who's like-minded as me in a way. Like they just want to make content with their like authentic energy. You know what I mean? Like it just be yourself, man. And like honestly, like even if you like a little bit tweak it a little bit and be a little bit silly, because I'm a little silly. You know what I mean? Especially when I meditate consistently, I'll be silly like a motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I want to try it out, man. I'm lit. I mean, man, I really want to try this out. I just want to be around other creators. You know what I mean? I used to watch. I still do watch a whole bunch of Twitch streamers, and it's just like, how does that feel to be in a room with a whole bunch of other creators who actually all streamers? That must be a really good feeling. So that's why. I don't really know how to send this correctly, but I'm gonna try my best, and hopefully you get it. This video. Peace. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I just got done making my streaming unit application video. All I did is just made it unlisted. I just uploaded it, and right before you upload it to the public, just make it sure it's unlisted. That way you can get a link. So that's how I did it. I just did a YouTube video. Did a recording on myself with my webcam. And if you want, you could just do it on your phone too. You can record yourself on your phone, send it to upload it to YouTube, and just make sure you just unlist it so that way you can just copy and get the link. So that's two ways you can do that, from your phone, or you could do it on a desktop, okay, with your webcam. Anyway, so go over here, copy the link, which I already did, so I don't really need it. It says get server link, get it, boom, go back to the application, paste, and hit next. Warning, this page is not streamer friendly. This page is asked for things like content information, mailing information. We strongly recommend you to avoid live stream publics. Oh my god. So this part of the screen I'm gonna have to not show you guys. So this part right here I'm gonna just not show. I'm gonna just click it to the end, okay? And boom, just like that, you are done with Streaming University. And that's it, y'all. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. And I do stream on Twitch if you guys want to come around, check your boy out. All right. And as always, stay howling, Team Dawn.